In this video I will show you what to do if your snipping tool is not working, you are trying to press print screen key on your keyboard and it's not taking screenshots. Firstly, open the Microsoft Store, search for the snipping tool, make sure you have installed the latest version and then click on open. Once you have your snipping tool opened, click on these three dots and settings. You can adjust this window to see more options and scroll down and find the option use the print screen key to open snipping tool. Click on change in Windows settings. Scroll down here, find the option use the print screen key to open screen capture. This option should be turned on. Now I will try to press the print screen button on my keyboard and it's working. I don't know if you see that on the video, but now I can take the screenshot after I press the print screen button. This was how to fix not working snipping tool. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.